little project I did. It's a 2022 GMC 1500 with the Multipro tailgate. Instead of buying the kicker kit, I just did it myself. Installed a Bluetooth amp inside. It's a marine amp in here, and then I added these plugs with the switch, waterproof switch. You turn it on, it connects automatically with the Bluetooth. And you have your power here to charge your phone. Also had to add some spacers here to give it the clearance. And these are 6.5 speakers. I got them from Walmart. They're pretty cheap. But you can do, I mean, these aren't marine speakers, but for the price, they sound pretty good. And I got the power. I ran the cable through here, which I got the power from the trailer plug back here. Through the back, there's a plug where you can get your power, and that's pretty much it.